INSTAR Soap Plus takes brush cleaning to a whole new level. Instead of an all-in-one solution, we decided to split it into 3 parts to ensure that you get the best out of each element. Other cleaning methods that utilise methylated spirits and alcohol should really be avoided, as they are dangerous to handle and require a well-ventilated area to use them, not to mention if you have children running around. Soap Plus takes this danger away by utilising safe, environmentally friendly ingredients that are safe to handle and safe for the skin. Now this is one of my favourite brushes to use. It may not be one of the more expensive lines, but this brush is my main workhorse, and for the purpose of this demonstration, we've completely trashed it. We've left it in really thin down paint, used it and left it sitting in metallic paint, and even forgotten about it while it's left in a puddle of paint. And now this brush is totally unusable. It can't get a point, the bristles don't bend, and it would normally be destined for the bin, meaning we'd have to go and buy a new set of brushes. But not anymore. We'll start with the Soap Plus Deep Clean. This is designed for this exact situation. All you need to do is unscrew the cap, pop off the cover, and you'll see a slightly off-white gel in the pot. You take your brush and dip it so it just comes up over the ferrule where the most damage is occurring. You do not need to wet your brush first. Doing this will deactivate the active ingredient in Soap Plus Deep Clean and means it will not do its job properly. Then it's just a case of rolling it at a slight angle on a hard surface like a tile. If you're using plastic, make sure that it's PP, HDPE or PET, or use the palm of your hand, whichever one gets you the best results. You can see that it gets to work very quickly and starts to soften the dried paint in the bristles and drawing it out from below the ferrule. For very stubborn dried paint, you can leave it for up to 20 minutes, but this usually isn't necessary. You might find that the first one, a deep clean, won't fully remove everything. Depending on the severity of the damage that's been done to the brush, you may need to repeat the process several times until all the dried paint is removed. Then rinse it thoroughly and dry it to deactivate the deep clean. Next we move on to Soap Plus Cleaner. This is intended as your everyday cleaner to use after every session and as a final clean after using deep clean. As before, just unscrew the lid and pop off the cover to see a slightly cloudy gel. Just dip your brush in it, again without wetting it, and start to work it on a hard surface or in the palm of your hand. If you've just used deep clean, the Soap Plus Cleaner, being more liquid, will start to draw out any last remaining bits of paint that were not captured, but was softened by the deep clean and again works below the ferrule to give it a thorough clean. Then just rinse it and dry it to have a super clean brand new brush. The last step, and this is really important after using deep clean, is the Soap Plus Conditioner. A deep clean is quite powerful and strips the natural oils from the brush when used, so the conditioner is required to put them back. As before, just unscrew the lid, pop off the cap, and you'll see a thick white liquid. Just dip your brush into the conditioner and work it into the bristles with your fingers and shape the point of the brush. Then set aside for 24 hours to let the conditioner do its work and restore your brush to almost brand new, prolonging the life of your brush and, more importantly, saving you money on new brushes.